All right, today I have this diamond ring box. Pretty cool. It's shaped like a diamond crystal, octahedron, and you can close it two different ways. But if you put the ring in there, you just can close it one way. And then there's your ring, and it holds the ring right in the middle for you. Pretty cool. I'm liking that a lot. So that's what today's video is about. And that's all. So this ring box, it's a beauty, isn't it? And with the ring in there, I mean that is a super nice gift. And really like this one. All right, so top and bottom are really the same fold exactly, except hey, you can put whichever side out you want on both of them. And the ring, there's a video for the ring there. This is a great ring. It's not like the other rings on YouTube, and I don't really think it's like anybody else's ring at all. Check it out. It's pretty cool. Now this, I actually just taught the diamond crystal box, and that video is right there. Really, you just fold two of those modules and stop at the second little variation I show you, which is when you have the open octahedron diamond crystal, the actual shape of diamonds. So, but anyway, what you do, we'll show you how to fold it real quick. Is fold the bill in half on whichever side you want out is out right now. And then you fold this point down to the center line, making a point here and a point here. Crease that. Then fold right along this edge, the short edge of your raw edge, and you bring this crease up to this edge. So this is the very first, it wasn't, but it was one of the first designs I made, was the Money Origami Ninja Star, which I'll put a link to that video right there. It's pretty popular. So you just fold it like the Ninja Star, which is the triangle base, and then you fold that corner over, and then you open the whole thing up. Now this is where it differs from the Ninja Star, but anyway, that's a cool model. I got variations of it as well. So then you fold this corner over, and you do the exact same thing, but you're just doing it starting with the other corner. And so you fold it right along here. Oh yeah, and people that aren't subscribers, I'd like you to invite you to click the bell icon and check out this channel with notifications and see if you like some of the content. Now you can make original cool money origami. And the thing is, no, not every piece is for everyone, but everybody has a piece they really like. And so now you've got all the pre-folds made except just a few more. And at all the places where the top triangle's like that, or where there's an X, we're going to fold it the other direction. So these are valley folds, and now we're making a mountain fold. Right on that X. There's 4 of them. So then there's diamond, and then there's another X, and you fold it in half right on that X. And then there's diamond, and then there's an X. Fold it in half. And one more diamond, and one more X. And you fold it in half. mountain folds. And then fold it back. So now you have all your pre-creases. And you just squish this where these two pieces of the diamond right there come to the center. And you flatten that over. And you do the same thing on the other side. Flatten it over like that. And then it's just like the other video. You tuck this corner behind here and put that on top. And you tuck this one behind here and put that on top and fold this in. And that locks that little part in place. And then you do the same on the other side. You've got these two corners and you push that over and fold that corner down over top. And push this one in and fold that part on top. So now that is how you make the top and the bottom to this point. Now whichever piece you want to be the bottom, you just simply pull these in to make your ring holder. Okay, now let's show you some other interesting things about this box. So, if you don't make the ring holder, you can put whichever side fits inside the other one a little bit better. And it's a pretty cool box. And you don't have to put a ring inside. But what you can do is whichever side is going to be the top of your box. Say you wanted George up. And then you can tape it to the inside edge. And that'll make it kind of tricky to open the box, because that'll feel like the bottom. And if you try to open it, it only works if you grab the part that moves in the inside by the point. Now you can put it together like this too. And then it doesn't stay together really tight, but it's the same shape. But anyway, we're making the ring box, So you make two of these same modules. And then this is a great ring right here. So check it out right there. And you make that ring. And you put these points in, put the ring on there, put these points in, and guide the ring into the middle. Now when you put the lid on, you might move the box and the ring will tip to either side, and you want it to be straight up when you open the box. So turn it upside down and then put the cover on. And then turn it back over. And now it's not likely to move so much. See? Alright, that's pretty much the video. Hey, the main reason is I want to make sure everybody knows how to fold the videos. So if you have any problems with the models, be sure and let me know. Thanks for watching. Like and share and subscribe. But hit that bell notification if you haven't been here before. Give me a shot at being your Money Origami Cool Gifts channel. Bye. Alright, that's it for today's video.